This video is about warming up. So like, if you're a kid, kids don't need to warm up, but maybe some of us older people do. Or maybe some kids do too. I don't know, I guess it depends on the person. When I skate, I like to kind of do a series of things when I get to the rink or a skate park, or if I just put on my skates and want to skate outside around my neighborhood. I usually do a few different things at first to kind of get everything moving, kind of get myself feeling comfortable, going both directions, turning around, whatnot. So generally what I do, starting with the feet about hips width apart, I bend my knees and let my hips drop until I'm kind of like in a little cannonball pose, and try to stay there for a while and take some deep breaths and really stretch out your knees and your hips. If this is really challenging, just go as low as you can. You could always hold on to like a fence for support, or a bench, or a wall, or like maybe a sturdy piece of furniture. Holding on to something in front of you does make it feel a little more stable if it feels weird to you. Then I start skating around in circles. So I'm skating around, I'm going counterclockwise, just doing crossing over, crossing over. I usually do several circles like this, and then I reverse. So now I'm going clockwise, just like constantly making crossovers. I usually do several laps like this, and then I'll reverse and go backwards, where I'm skating backwards. Now I'm going counterclockwise, crossing under, crossing under. I do several circles like this. You can figure eight it also, switching the other way. So now I'm going clockwise, crossing under, crossing under, crossing under. Typically then, I will do something more like a straight line, what I call like a drunken sailor deal, where you're going cross, 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 cross. I'll come back, again, cross, 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 cross. Then I practice, if I have toe stops on, I practice turning around and stopping, sliding on them, turning both ways. So I'm turning to the right, bending my knees, dropping my butt, turning to the left, bending my knees, dropping my butt, kind of feeling into your knees and hips. Then I typically do like little scissors, like where you're bringing your feet out and together, crossing over, out, and together, crossing over. Another straight line. I'll come back that way, bring the feet out, cross in front, out, other foot crosses in front. Do that several times. Really get the hips warming up and your knees and feet and everything, ankles. So those are some of the things I do. Oh, I also practice turning around. Turning to the right, all the way around. And then same thing to the left. Turning to the left, all the way around. So you might find some of those useful, or maybe you have other ways you like to warm up. Please let us know in the comments. But if any of that's useful for y'all, as far as like a kind of a way to get moving in a few minutes, kind of get your body going all the different ways, steering and so forth, and hopefully that's useful, please let us know, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.